How to turn off while charging on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, and you will see click on. So if you want to turn off while charging, so you will see screen will never sleep while charging. So while charging button is here. So if you want to turn off while charging, so turn off, stay awake. So after turn off, stay awake, you will see while charging button is turned off. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn off while charging on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.